Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are up here in Savannah, Missouri. Not too far from St. Joe. This project we have here, we are just finishing up the excavation and getting started on the teardown of this bulging inward cinder block wall. I don't know how well you can tell in the video, but you can really see in person how it's bowing in towards the front corner here. So basically on this job we have two main scopes of work. So the first is getting the joist, the main floor, fully supported with our 6x6 true wood support posts, and then that's going to ensure that, that the home's stabilized so we can safely start the demo work on the damaged cinder block wall. So we're going to get this all out of here, down to the footing, get everything cleaned up. And we have two King Pier 2s that we're going to be installing, primarily due to the basement floor is kind of sloping downward towards this wall, so we want to try to raise that as close to level as we can get it back, if not all the way back to level. And then once we ensure that the footing is completely level, then we will begin bringing in new CMU cinder block and start building this wall back vertically. So a wall like this, I always like to point out on these cinder block wall projects, you can see right now that the existing block, all of these are hollow. There's really no structural stability to the existing wall. So what we do, every individual hole in each individual block is going to be filled solid with high strength concrete, number 4 rebar. So we will certainly maximize the structural stability of the new wall once it's built. So that is pretty much it for up here in Savannah. Two main scopes of work, getting two King Pier 2s installed to make sure the footing's level, get that floor back into its proper position, and then new CMU block to rebuild this side wall here on the home. The customer also purchased a new egress window and window well, so a decent chunk around this area is not going to be rebuilt. We're going to block that out so we can get the window installed. So we should have everything demoed by the end of this week, if not tomorrow, and then we'll work on getting the footing level and the floor repaired, and then we'll start next week rebuilding the cinder block wall. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC, you can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.